This is the Google Ad template that I use, and it helps keep track of the length of characters so we don't go over the length. And here are the instructions. Headline 1, headline 2, the maximum characters are 30, description is 80, path 1, path 2. That's in the URL, and it's optional, and they're 15 characters each. Typically what I do is when I build the ad, I just put in what keywords so they match up. So you don't have to do path 1 and path 2. And where that would come in is path 1 would be, an example would be right here before the slash. So life coach would be path 1 and counselor would be path 2. The description right here, the description would be right here, be a life coach in 8 months, blah, blah, blah. And then headline 2 would be 8-month life coach program. Headline 1 would be life coach training. So that's how it's laid out. Now, if we go back over to the ad template, when you build ads in this ad template, it'll flag it if it's too long. So I'll just give you an example here. So let's say you write this right here. It'll come up with a little yellow thing right here saying 46, and the maximum length is 30. So you know that you're over by 16 characters. The same thing here. It'll come up. So what you would do is you would obviously you would work with it until it was all clear, and that way it keeps track of everything. So it's kind of automatic, little program built in here, and the description length as well. So each one of these is going to flag over here if you go over the character limit. The campaign name, you don't have to necessarily worry about that. You could put in here, if you're grouping like different ads per campaign, you can put a campaign in here, let's say branded campaign. In the ad group, I can break out the ad groups. So campaign and ad groups would be used to organize the keywords that we're targeting. So that's it. Quick overview of the Google Ad template.